Hey everyone, this is Patrick from Alfair. Today I'm here to guide you through the process of cleaning an electrostatic precipitator, also known as an ESP. I'll take you through each step so that by the end of this video you'll feel like an ESP cleaning master. Step 1. Preparation tools. To clean an ESP, you'll need a few tools handy: a water tank, protective gloves, goggles, industrial aprons, cleaning rags, cleaning detergent, a screwdriver, and a cleaning gun. Step 2. Get yourself protected. Make sure to wear all the necessary protective gear. Step 3. Add detergent. If you're using caustic soda for cleaning, mix it with water in a ratio of 2 to 3 per 100. Feel free to reach out to us for advice on using the different cleaning detergent. Step 4. Power off. Always remember to power off the ESP before opening any doors, as there's high voltage power inside. Step 5. Release of residual charge. Our ESP can automatically release the residual charge, but it's good to be aware of this step. Step 6. Take out filters. Our ionizer and collector are crafted from aerospace aluminum for durability and corrosion resistance, while keeping weight to a minimum. Step 7. Soak all filters. If you're using caustic soda, soak the filters for 3 to 5 minutes in cold water, or 0.5 to 3 minutes in hot water. Completely submerge the collector, ionizer, and the mesh filters in water. Step 8. Flush all filters. Use a water gun to thoroughly clean all filters. For stubborn oil pollutants, give them another quick soak and flush. Step 9. Clean insulators. Ensure insulators are free from oil pollutants or cleaning detergent residue. Step 10. Dry. Let the filters air dry naturally or speed up the process by reinstalling them and using the exhaust fan. Step 11. Wipe insulators. Use cleaning rags to wipe down door insulators, rinsing off any cleaning detergent residue. Step 12. Inspect springs. Check for any distorted, bent, missing, or loose springs. Tighten or replace them as needed. Step 13. Inspect ionizer. Look for pollution residue, cracked or carbon-tracked insulators, and broken ionizer wires or ground plates. Step 14. Inspect collector. Check for pollution residue, bent cell plates, or thin plates due to improper cleaning. Step 15. Load filters back. Ensure all filters are loaded in the right direction to avoid operational issues. You can refer to this picture for the loading directions of ionizers and collectors. Alright, now let's turn on the electrostatic precipitator. It should be working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.